everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm at the Porsche Club Track Day. The weather is great, it's very dry, so we are very lucky. There's great turnout today. I don't think I've ever seen so many Porsches in one place ever. The cars that are going on the track will be divided into 4 groups of 15 cars. So altogether there will be 60 cars that's driving on track today. I'll be testing out the Porsche Track Precision App today. I have never used this app before, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs. And I'll show you a clip of my track lap with the Precision app. I'm actually very surprised how good the Porsche Precision app is. It's very easy to use and it's easy to connect as well. All you need to do is download the app, register a Porsche account, and log in and then connect the app to your car via the car's Wi-Fi. You then mount your phone to the windscreen to record. The app will pick up which track you are on automatically. So once you start driving on track, it will start recording and also registering your lap time. And also there are a lot of statistics and analytics you can see from the app as well. It's very, very amazing. And all this is done wirelessly, so it's very, very convenient. Really enjoyed the track day today, and it's really lovely to meet all these Porsche owners and to hear their stories and also seeing them drive their cars on the track, really enjoying their cars and exploit their potentials on the track. I'm also very happy that I was able to improve my lap time from my last track day. So that's really good. It's always great to see improvement. And I'm so pleased that I tested out the Track Precision app. It's a very good tool to measure your performances on the track, so you can analyze and improve yourself with all these data. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the Porsche Club Track Day, and hope to see you next time. Bye!